Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great day. And for today's video, I'll be sharing some design team projects that I created for In Love Art Shop. And I'll share the dies first. So I picked out this die and it creates like an explosion box card. And it's a good size and it comes with this piece also. So those two pieces in that set. And this die I thought was so cute. It's like it's a kitchen mitten, like a hot pad mitten, and it also comes with a couple of words. It says kitchen recipes, and these dies here create a cute little rooster, and it gets layered up. So I did create one to share. And then this die here, I know it's not quite Halloween yet, and a lot of people aren't creating for Halloween, but I thought this was so cute, and I do love creating for Halloween, and I thought this spider web was just really fun to use as a background or on a card. And then this one here is like a frame die, and it's got like branches and some flowers and vines, and I just thought it was really cute. I actually plan to use it with some Maggie Holmes, like the Maggie Holmes Flourish, but I did create a different type of card that I was first thinking of making. And then these are two other sets. This set here comes with some little flowers, and the reason I really like this one is because of all the little stitching details that it embosses when you cut on this layer, and also oh, there's a top layer somewhere that goes on this one here, and then the little stitching detail on the leaves. Really cute. And this other set here is another frame set with stars, and then these other little stars as well. So those are the dies. And then they also included this stamp in with the order, so I thought that was cute and will be nice for Valentine's Day. So I'll try that out closer to Valentine's Day. And let me go ahead and get started in sharing the projects. So I guess I was in a card making mood because most of these projects that I'm sharing are cards. And this one I used the branches and leaves frame die as the border here, and then I made the little flowers there. And I don't know if you can see the detail on the embossed leaves right here, and then the little holes and stitching that it cuts out on the flowers. So I thought that was really cute. And then I just added some butterflies and some bling, and then a sentiment that says "with love." So there's my first card. And then I created this other card using the star frame right there, and I just added a couple of little rosettes, and I went through my stickers. I wanted this to be kind of a fun, quick little card, so I had a sticker pack, like beach theme, and I thought with summer coming up, it would be good to have a couple little cards in case there's a birthday, and it's not too specific, so I feel like I can use it for a birthday if that comes up during summertime, or just anything really. It says "Seize the Day," and there's some little shells from the sticker pack, a little cocktail drink, and some little clear like bubble beads to look like water droplets. And on the inside here I did add some stars, so these are the additional stars that it cuts out, and some more bling. So there's that card. And then this one here with graduation season coming up, this is the explosion box card. And normally this would close up as well, like this. But since I added this little balloon here and a couple of these pieces sticking out, I could still fit it into an envelope like this, but if you don't add the balloon there or anything sticking up out over this edge, then you can flip this up like this side here, and then it just pops open like that. And I think it's so cute for graduation. It says "Congrats, proud of you." I added some balloons and some little graduation caps. And then down here it says, "It's your day." So there's this little card. And I like how it does fold up, you know, flat for mailing if you need to mail that. So here's the little explosion card. And here is a Halloween themed card. It's kind of random with everything else, but I do love the spider web die. I think it's so cute, and I added some glitter in between, and then just went through some ephemera, chipboard ephemera that I had from other collections, and I found this skull, this flower piece here, and beware, and then I just threw in a little lavender into the card as well. So this one's ready to go for Halloween. And then the cute little mittens, I made 3 different samples, so I thought they'd be cute, of course, as tags. And for example, this one, I would pair it with some little glassine bag like this for some summertime treats, homemade or store-bought. But this is the part that cuts out the kitchen recipes with the set too. And for these, I just added some pom-poms up at the top and a vellum layer under the words that say kitchen recipes. And then the little charms, I had a lemon in my stash, so I added that. So that's how I would gift that one. And then this next one here, I decided to do a small policy envelope, and also, you know, could include some baked goods or treats in there. And then this one here says, "From our house to yours," just another sentiment die from my stash, some more pom-pom trim, and I had got these cute little dangles a while back, so I thought this one looked cute. It's a yellow bell pepper, so I just thought that was cute, and I just tied it up with some twine, added a doily, and that would be quick and easy to send off. And then this one here, I thought it'd be fun. I cut out 2 pieces of the mitten, and I sewed around the edge to make it into a little pocket. And then here's that little chicken, or actually rooster, guys. And I don't know, I just looked online. I couldn't even remember like coloring, what colors they would be, and I just used my ink pads and kind of patted them down to give it some color to the layers. And then I did pop up the little eggs, and the brown was a little dark, so I added some glitter mix flakes that I had in my stash. So I think it turned out pretty cute. I don't go for roosters too much, but I think it's super cute, or for like a little country theme as well. And then, like I said, I added stitching around the edge of this one with some gold thread, some pearls, and then here's some little beads dangling from the little loop there. And then I found these little stickers in my stash, which were perfect. They're little recipe cards, and I just backed it with some white cardstock. And then I also found these in my stash, the little wooden whisks, and I think these are from Michael's from a while ago. So since it's a pocket, it just, you know, slips right in there. And I think that's so cute. This one's my favorite, I think. So those are the projects that I created for In Love Art Shop. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll leave all of the information in the description box below for the dies that I used. And also I do have a discount code, Sophia, SOPHIA, and you'll get, I believe, 25% off of your purchase. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.